are flightless seabirds that have evolved to thrive in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. Known for their distinctive black and white plumage and upright posture, these birds are found exclusively in southern hemisphere, with species inhabiting icy Antarctica, temperate regions, and even the equatorial Galapagos Island. Their fascinating adaptations, social behaviors, and ecological significance make them a subject of great scientific and public interest. In this podcast, we're gonna dive into the story of Penguin, a flightless seabird. Please follow and click the notification bell if you haven't done so, and like, share, subscribe to help this channel grow. It really means a lot to us. Enjoy your time, Nott listeners. Penguins are uniquely built for an aquatic lifestyle. Their torpedo-shaped bodies reduce drag in the water, allowing them to swim efficiently. Their wings have evolved into flippers, which they use to fly underwater, propelling themselves at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. Unlike most birds, penguins have dense bones, which helps them dive deep and remain submerged. Emperor penguins, Aptenodytes forsteri for instance, can dive over 500 meters and stay underwater for more than 20 minutes. Penguins' feathers are densely packed, about 100 feathers per square inch, providing waterproofing and insulation. A layer of air trapped between the feathers and the skin acts like thermal barrier, keeping them warm in icy waters. Beneath the feathers, a thick layer of fat or blubber provides additional insulation, especially for species living in colder climates. Penguins have remarkable thermoregulation mechanisms. In cold environments, they huddle together in large groups to conserve heat, rotating positions to share the warmth evenly. In warmer regions, they spread their flippers to dissipate heat and seek shade to avoid overheating. Penguins have excellent underwater vision, allowing them to spot prey in dimly lit waters. Their sharp, hooked beaks and spiny tongues help them grip slippery prey like fish, squid, and krill. They also have specialized glands above their eyes to excrete excess salt, enabling them to drink seawater. Penguins are distributed across a range of environments, from the icy wilderness of Antarctica to the rocky shores of South America, Africa, and Oceania. Their habitat preferences depend on their species. Antarctic species, Emperor and Adélie penguins, are iconic residents of Antarctica, relying on sea ice for breeding and hunting. Temperate species. Species like the African penguin, Sphenicus demersus, inhabit warmer coastal regions, nesting in burrows or rocky crevices. Tropical species. The Galapagos penguin, Sphenicus mendiculus, is the only penguin species found near the equator, adapting to the region's warmer climate. Penguins are social creatures that live in large colonies called rookeries, which can range from a few hundred to several million individuals. This social structure provides protection from predators, aids in thermoregulation, and facilitates mating. Penguins rely on vocalizations and body language to communicate. Each penguin has a unique call, which helps mates and chicks recognize each other in the noisy environment of a rookery. Penguins are generally monogamous for a breeding season, and some species for long-term pair bonds. Courtship rituals include elaborate displays such as bowing, preening, and vocal exchanges. Once paired, penguins build nests using pebbles, grass, or other materials depending on their environment. Emperor penguins. Unlike other species, emperor penguins do not build nests. Instead, males incubate a single egg on their feet under a flap of skin called the brood pouch, enduring Antarctica's harsh winter while fasting up to 2 months. Other species, most penguins lay 2 eggs, and both parents take turns incubating them and feeding the chicks after hatching. Penguins are carnivorous, feeding primarily on marine organisms such as fish, squid, and krill. Antarctic penguins rely heavily on krill and fish. Temperate penguins feed on a mix of fish and squid. Galapagos penguins consume small fish and crustaceans available in tropical waters. Penguins are exceptional hunters, diving deep and using coordinated group tactics to catch prey. They can travel long distances between feeding and breeding grounds, with some species covering thousands of kilometers annually. Penguins face numerous challenges in the wild, many of which are linked to human activities. Warming temperatures and melting ice are major threats to penguins, especially Antarctic species like the emperor and Adelie penguins. The loss of sea ice disrupts their breeding grounds and reduces the availability of krill, their crucial food source. Overfishing depletes the fish stocks penguins rely on, forcing them to travel farther and expend more energy to find food. Coastal development, pollution, and human disturbance threaten penguin habitats, particularly for temperate and tropical species. Invasive species pose a significant threat to penguin eggs and chicks, especially in areas where penguins nest on land. Penguins are more than just adorable animals. They play vital roles in their ecosystems as predators and prey. By controlling populations of fish and krill, penguins contribute to the balance of marine ecosystems. They are also indicators of ocean health, with their population trends reflecting changes in the environment. Culturally, penguins symbolize resilience, adaptability, and teamwork. Their endearing behaviors and striking appearance have made them beloved ambassadors for wildlife conservation, inspiring people worldwide to protect nature. Thank you so much for listening until the end, Nott listeners. We really hope you enjoy today's topic about penguin, a flightless seabird, and we hope you find this podcast insightful. Please follow our channel if you want to see more of our contents, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive updates about our new topic. See you in the next episode.